Hey guys, welcome to Initiate Scientia, where science meets you. If you are new to this channel, then do press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. This is the Java series. Ternary operator. What is ternary operators? The ternary operator in Java is a shorthand for the if-else statements. It is the only conditional operator that takes three operands. Syntax, condition, question mark, value if true, colon, value if false. So, if the condition is true, it will print or consider this value, and if it's false, it will consider the value on the right side of the colon. Next, why use it? Basically, it makes the code shorter and cleaner. Great for simple conditional assignments. Often used in return statements, UI logic, inline validations, etc. Basic example, int a is 10, b is 20. Int max, a greater than b, question mark, a, b. So the condition is a greater than b. Is 10 greater than 20? No. So it doesn't print a, instead it prints b, saying maximum is max. Max value will be 20 and you print 20. Next, syntax breakdown. Data type result is equal to condition question mark value 1 colon value 2. Condition, an expression that evaluates to true or false. Value 1 return if condition is true. Value 2 return if condition is false. Next, ternary versus if else. Using if else. If age is greater than or equal to 18, then status is adult, else status is minor. Using ternary, we can write it in a single line as string status is age greater than or equal to 18, question mark adult or else minor. Nested ternary operators. Ternary operators can be nested, through though not always recommended for readability. Int num is 5, string type is num greater than 0, positive, or else num less than 0, negative or 0. So output is positive. Next, returning ternary. You can return values directly from a ternary operator. Example, public string get grade int score. Return score greater than or equal to 90 A, or else score greater than or equal to 80 B, or else score greater than or equal to 70 C, else fail F. So ternary with method calls. Example, string result, user is logged in, get welcome message or get login prompt. Limitations of ternary operator. No side effects, used only for expressions, not complex logic. It is hard to read when nested. Overuse makes the code less readable. Not a replacement for all the if else, and avoid when logic is complex. Best practices, use ternary for simple short decisions. Avoid nesting more than one level. Use parentheses to avoid ambiguity. Don't put complex business logic inside it. If you found any inspiration or found it useful, I would appreciate if you give it a thumbs up. And of course, if you are new around here, we would love if you would join us in the Initiate Scientia community. So feel free to click the little subscribe button. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. More detailed written videos are coming in the Java series, up right from the next video, similar to the data structures playlist. So keep watching. Hit the subscribe button